Molfetta, a coastal town where the Adriatic speaks in whispers and waves, and time seems to drift gently like a boat in its harbor. Here, the sea is not just scenery, it's soul. Fishermen still return with the dawn, their nets heavy with tradition and the scent of salt air. The old port, with its bobbing boats and time-worn stones, is a living postcard from another era. And rising just beyond the harbor, the Cathedral of San Corrado stands with its twin domes and solemn gaze. Built from pale stone, it seems to glow in the sun, a lighthouse of faith rooted in Romanesque grace. Its silhouette, reflected in the water, is Molfetta's eternal signature. Wander the narrow alleys of the old town, where balconies overflow with flowers and laundry dances in the sea breeze. Hear the bells ring, smell fresh bread from hidden bakeries, and feel the quiet pulse of a city that never forgets who it is. In Molfetta, every corner holds a breath of the past and a promise of peace. The sea, the stone, the silence, all speak in harmony.